Another video. In this video, we'll show you how to use dynamic pin to identify location and map to address, text field, or a hidden element. So if you go back to your canvas, what I'd like you to do is grab a maps element and make it a bit wider and a bit bigger, like this. Right, next up, you need to make sure that you have your Google API key for this to work. If you don't, it will not work. So if you have a Google API key and you don't know where to put it, you will go to Form, Personalization, and your Google Map API key will go over here. Next up, what I'm going to do is actually going to reduce the size here a little bit. We're going to get two fields, two hidden fields actually. One is going to be called longitude and one is going to be called latitude. Alright, let's go ahead and label these. Longitude, latitude, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is click on the map, go to Advanced, check Dynamic Pin, click Edit, and assign longitude to longitude, latitude to latitude. And then you can also click on these hidden fields, go to System Value, make sure you assign the longitude there, and assign the latitude there, like that. Now, as I said, you can bring it back in three different elements. One of them is hidden field. So let's go ahead and set this one up. Next one is text field. Address text box. And then the last one, which I'm sure you're all aware of, is the address element. You can also use this as well. Just like that. Now, what you have to do is, you have to click on the map, go back to Advanced, click Dynamic Pin, and then here in the address you can choose your three elements, hidden, text box, or that. So let's try with hidden first. Click Apply, and let's just go ahead and preview this. Now here's my pin. If I drag it over here, you can see it's picked up the longitude, latitude, plus the address over here. And you can push this address to Salesforce, whatever you want. You can even set it up as a Lightning web component. So as you can see, as I'm moving the pin, the address is changing in this hidden field over here. Very cool functionality. Now, if you want to do this in the text box, again, you will click on the map, go to Advanced, Dynamic Pin, and then over here you would choose Address Text Box, for example. Click Save. Let's refresh. And now you'll see all the entries that are coming in here. I have started to appear in here. Very, very simple. Just like that. And you can do that anywhere within the world. And now same thing, go back to Dynamic Pin and choose your final address bar. Click Save. Refresh. And then simply drag it, and then, as you can see, we're populating the street, state, code, country, postcode, all of that stuff. And as you can see, it keeps changing dynamically. And that's how you do it. From here on, the possibilities are endless. You can put that as a Lightning Web Component or a Visualforce page that simply just updates address for you. I will release another video hopefully tomorrow, show you how to do it as a Lightning Web Component. Thank you for watching this video.